Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Volkswagen Tiguan SE. Middle of the road for the Tiguan, however it's still really nice. Titan black leatherette interior, get to the window sticker on the other side. Course 4Motion, Volkswagen's all-wheel drive system. That's close. 2.0 turbo, 4-cylinder, 16 valve. Total price of $30,949. This one has the panoramic sunroof package. This one has panoramic sunroof package, the monster mats and stuff like that. Platinum gray over Titan black. Well, it does have your stereotypical switchblade key. The SE has keyless, 99% sure keyless entry. Yep. Keyless entry and push button start. I'm gonna go ahead and move it forward. All right. There's your panoramic sunroof. This is your leatherette material. That's still going. Yeah, basically everything's controlled through here. It does have auto start stop. I couldn't find the way to disable it in here. So I don't think it's under. Yeah, so that's weird. I can't seem to find it, but I think you can disable it. Well, I mean, you could obviously disable it by pulling fuses, but that's not a good solution. Foot on the brake. Backup camera. And we are good to go. Of course, the 2.0 is the same motor as the Passat I was just driving. Here's your auto start stop, of course. Same exact motor. Really decent amount of power. Doesn't feel sluggish or anything like that. It just is perfectly suited for the Tiguan. Do have forward collision warning, all the standard safety features you would come to know and love. This is kind of a competitor for, I'm trying to think, the RAV4, the CR-V, like the smaller SUVs. Atlas takes on the Highlander and stuff like that. Do know for a fact that we run some great lease specials on these, somewhere in the $200 a month with very little down, so it's pretty impressive. Of course, I work in marketing, so I see the deals going on, but they obviously change month to month, so by the time this comes out, that could be different. But the most popular lease specials I see are for the Tiguan and the Jetta. Those are the big two for deals in Volkswagen territory. Overall, I mean, the Tiguan is an absolutely perfect mid-size SUV. Tons of room in the back seat. Of course, this being a two-row SUV, seats 5 passengers quite comfortably, actually. And it's honestly super fun to drive. And all the materials are nice, especially for the price point. I mean, Volkswagen, of course, stands for folk, like common folk, and car. You know, it's not obviously a direct translation, but it's supposed to be the people's car. And honestly, Volkswagen, today I was stationed. Today I was filming at Volkswagen all day, and yeah, they have really stepped up the game and created some bargains. There's definitely, for the price point, you can't really get much better interior quality and driving dynamics, at least on the new market. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.